This is how new construction going on in Florida, Tampa, Florida. I think the whole Florida is the same. There's a center block. There's a PVC pipes for the water. I'm talking about the supply line, not the drain. No basement, no crawl space. Inside they can use a wood framing, I believe. Yeah, and the roof can be done from the wood framing. Those are the roof trusses right there.